My name is Ajish Nair and I am an independent game developer, developing a super awesome time travel game, where the player travels back in time and does a lot of crazy stuff. The game is going to be super awesome and unique, so if you are interested in the journey or want to see how the game will end up, consider subscribing. I will post game dev related content, fun tutorials, game dev info and lot of interesting stuff. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Today I will introduce you to a very important person, the main character of my game, and his name is oh crap, I have not decided a name yet to my character. Anyway, this is my main character. My main character is a teenage boy, very curious, fun loving, a little coward yet brave. Not too strong but still cunning. Today I will share how I am designing the main character, the entire design process. My main character will be very casually dressed like today's young cool kids. He will wear a cool hoodie, a short jeans, a backpack of gadgets and some cool drip sneakers. He will have a time controlling wristwatch and an inbuilt weapon system into his hands, which will have multi-purpose use cases, which I will not spoil right now. So first, I made some sketches of the player. I'm not an artist, but I drew as per my imagination to give the artist some context and guidelines. In some sketches, he looks like Nobita, maybe because of the spectacles. So he is the guy who is going to travel back in time into different eras and time. That's why I kept his style very casual and modern to reflect that in game. And an important thing, the game will have some sort of humor or maybe dark humor. I'm not sure yet. So that dressing will be used for that. Now to create the artwork, I needed an artist. I had my own local artist, but he is not a character expert. So I needed an artist just to create characters for the game. It sounds very simple, as I just wanted a 48 by 48 pixel character. How hard it could be? The answer is very hard, as the character is a very important aspect of the entire game because it will set the tone and vibe for the rest of the artworks, other characters, NPCs, background, environment, props, etc. So first I tried creating it with my local artist. He created the first version of the character art as per my instructions. Please note, I will mark each character with a unique number ID so that you guys can mention in the comment which is the best according to you guys. Please do comment, I really wanna know, and this time it is not for the YouTube engagement. And please don't confuse me by voting totally different and random styles, please. So the first sketch was good, but the character was looking a bit bulky, and at this point I was not sure which art style I wanna choose. So next I told my artist to create the same character in different styles, and he created this. See, each character here gives a different feel. Like if you consider this character, it gives a cute and dumb vibe. So if my player wants to do some really intelligent stuff, it may look weird. And this short look makes the player too powerless or nerdily weird type guy. So I thought either this or this style will be the final style for my game. And I tried different style, different variations, color combos, but I wasn't getting what I needed. So I switched to the second artist. Before that, I used some AI tools to convert my ideas to a more readable version so that artists could know more. So after spending lots of hours on that, using Playground AI, Stable Diffusion, etc., I got these ones. I'm not an artist, but I tried creating something and somehow it turned decent. Then I tried different colors, styles, variation. I turned pixel artist for a day. Then I handed it over to the second artist and asked him to refine the style and improve the overall style of the character. So he refined the art and improved it. But I still wasn't getting the feel that I wanted. I was thinking that I was liking this style because I created it. All the moms think that their babies are the cutest because they created them. Same way, in my case also, I was confused whether I was liking this because I created or is it really good. So I tried to create a complete new style again and I approached a third artist, and he created this quirky looking character which I hated. So I realized the old style was good, so I just needed to make it a little more minimal. So I contacted the fourth artist, who was expert in getting a minimal look, poly look, and he created these versions of the character, which was very good. And at that time I thought this was it. But to confirm, whenever I like a style, I made some other characters to check if that fits with all the characters and the entire vibe of the game. Like here, some other characters with the old style character. It was good, but it was feeling way too detailed and cartoony. And please remember, more details means more cost in animation. So with this minimal style too, created other characters to check the overall look and feel, and it was great. It was looking actually very cute. So look at these bad guys. They look like a cute cats instead of an evil barking dog. So I turned to, of course, the fifth artist. And this was a bit too expensive, to be honest. And I really like Katana Zero's character, and I was hoping to get something loosely similar to that. So I hired a new artist and he made this. It wasn't cool, to be honest, and it looked terrible to me. I tried several revisions but still failed. Then I was praying to God, please help me find a good character artist. Then I found a sixth artist, to whom I gave minimal info so that he don't get confused with lots of details to start with, and he created this, which was looking very good, but the character was looking little aged. It was giving an adult vibe, not a kid, not a teenager. So I asked him to send him back in time. A little promotion here. So he made this, which was very cool and I was loving it. Then I tried different looks, different styles, and somewhere I was still missing my old character, don't know why. So I asked the artist to combine both styles and try something new. So he did this, which made me realize sometimes you have to move on in life. Then finally I tried different color combos, different heights, props, positions, shoe sizes, and finally I had it. To complete the test, I also created some supporting character which looked great. So I created some animations and boom, I think I got my main character. It fits the style I want, and the level and gameplay is actually very different from a normal platformer. That's why I have to make sure that the player fits into a lot of different scenarios. But somewhere I wasn't feeling the kick from the player. He was lagging the emotion. I wasn't able to see his face, his expressions, his feelings. So, you guessed it right. Seventh artist. This time I gave the best possible inputs. I did some sketchings, lots of example, and then finally, out of nowhere, I found love of my life. I was so happy, but before marrying, I wanted to be sure. So I made some variation, a lot of variations and colors and some animations too. And finally, I was ready. So guys, meet the main character of my game. I don't have a name yet, but he is cute, nerdy looking, stylish, and you feel the urge to play with him. Play video game with him, not with him. Anyways, there he is. My future is riding on this cute guy. So comment below what you guys think, and is my choice perfect? Please don't confuse me. At this point, I was satisfied. Now I want your help. Comment down which is the best art according to you, and please don't confuse me. And also, I have not named my character, and I really want to give him a great name with some backstory or some hidden meaning related to time travel. If you guys have some ideas, please head to my Discord and suggest some cool names. If I like them, then I'll surely use it in my final game, and I will add your name in the credits of the game. So head to my Discord channel and share your feedbacks and suggestions. Follow for more. The game has a lot of exciting stuffs coming soon that I'm going to share. So consider subscribing and also hit the like button if you liked the video. It will encourage me to create more such videos.